Hey guys, welcome to the 2022 Get Abs Challenge. We have a 15-minute booty and leg workout today and you don't need any equipment for today's workout. You can find the 18-day schedule on my website, which has tons of useful features and it's all free. You're not in this journey alone, so do share your progress with the rest of the community on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok with my hashtag so we can support one another. Smash that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below and share this workout with your friends and let's get into it. We got 19 exercises in this leg and booty workout across 2 sets, 40 seconds on and 5 to 20 seconds of rest in between. The first set is all on your mat, so get on all fours and we're gonna start the workout with crossover kickback. Extend one leg and bring it over to the other side. Now lift your leg up diagonally and focus on your glutes here.
Misbehave just so you notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Short rest. Next we'll swap over to the other leg. Remember to engage your glutes and do not arch your back.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late.
10 seconds rest now and we've got straight leg hydrants.
I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Extend one leg and lift it up and lower it down slightly and bring the leg to the side. Again, focus on your glutes here. You're gonna feel this on the side of your glutes.
Don't wait up, I've been working hard every day, living dreams for a pay stub. Yeah, straight up. 5 years later, like I said, I would make it on my way up. It's all up, coming from the nation, made a foundation, true stuff. Yeah, too tough, we ain't giving up on our dreams.
Short rest here and we'll swap over to the other leg.
It's not where you start, it's all where you're at. It's where you end.
Mind-muscle connection is really important, so focus on your glutes and you're gonna feel the burn.
The stadium's packed, they all gonna snap. The motivated attract, the escalated attack. The frustrated hit back, yeah we move fast. I wanna change everything. I swear I'll do anything just to get where I wanna be. I won't stop till I'm free. I won't stop till I'm free. I won't stop, no. I won't let go. I won't drop, no. And I won't let go. I won't stop, no. I won't let go.
Flip around on your back now and we've got single leg glute bridges. Lay flat on the mat with one knee bent and one leg extended. Now lift your hips off the mat using your glute muscles. You'll be using your core here to balance too. So you'll be working your core and your glutes at the same time.
There's not enough time just to be imagining. You gotta take some action towards practicing. I know it's not easy, but you gotta get out there. Make your own meaning, can't afford to have doubts. They'll interrupt dreaming, I just wanna look out there. The crowd all screaming. I wanna change everything. I swear I'll do anything just to get where I wanna be. I won't stop till I'm free. I won't stop till I'm free.
Now let's swap over to the other leg. Again, focus on your core and your glutes here.
First things first, when you're hurt, that's the worst, yeah.
You're doing great, guys. Rest up. Frog pumps are next.
I just don't wanna feel anymore. I just don't wanna feel anymore.
Place your feet together, then thrust your hips up. Make sure you're using your glutes here. Also, do not over hyperextend your back. Focus on the glutes and engage your core.
Blast the music till I die. Drive the car right off the side. That's alright, that's alright. And when there's highs and lows, the tide's gonna flow. Just don't let go.
10 seconds rest now, get on all fours and donkey kick variation is next. Just one more exercise after this and we'll have a longer break before set 2. Kick your leg up and do an abduction. We're almost done with this set, keep going guys.
There's still so much life to live, there's still so much life to give. Ain't it already short enough, why shorten it? I'ma do what I like, I'ma do something right. I'ma move towards the light, I'ma keep my head high. There's no stopping now, I ain't falling down, my heart's popping out. I got options now, ain't no cautious doubts and no losses now. I'll be wildin' now, finding out what life's about. I'll be driving now, screaming till my lungs give out.
Short rest here and work on the other leg. Again, focus on your glutes.
Just don't let go.
And that's the first set guys, pause the video if you need a longer rest.
Okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
This set is all standing exercises, so stand upright and we've got sumo squat heel lift coming up.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch.
Stand with your feet wide apart, wider than shoulder width apart. Now squat down and lift one heel up, then get back up and repeat on the other leg. Focus on your glutes.
Fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this.
Short rest here and we've got squat kick back.
All the highs and the lows.
Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and squat down low, as low as you can, then come back up and lift one leg behind you. Make sure you have your core and your glutes engaged.
I need today, I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes.
10 seconds rest now and lateral lunge to squat is next.
As you fade away.
Bring one leg to the side and lunge, then come back to center and do a squat. This is gonna work your legs and also the side of your glutes.
My mind
Great work guys, let's work on the other leg.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
10 seconds rest now, curtsy lunges are next.
As you fade away.
Bring one leg diagonally behind you and lunge. Make sure your front knee doesn't pass your toes. Engage your core and your glutes here too.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push.
Short rest here and work on the other leg. Keep going guys, we only got 4 more exercises to go.
Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
10 seconds rest now, lunge kick back is next. Bring one leg behind and lunge, and as you get back up, do a kick back with your back leg. This is gonna work your core, your glutes, and your legs.
They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that.
Short rest and work on the other leg. Not long to go guys, just 2 more exercises after this and we'll be done.
And the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises.
Rest up single deadlift to lateral lunge is next.
Then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Stand with your feet hips width apart. Hinge on your hips as you lift one leg up while bending forward. Make sure the lifted leg to your head forms a straight line. You have to engage your core and make sure your back is straight. Then push through your heels to get back up to the original position, and now do a lateral lunge. Final exercise guys, we're working the other leg and that'll be the workout. Let's finish this. Make sure your core is engaged, your back is straight, and you're focusing on your form.
I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax. Living fast, over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip off for a minute, yeah that's my bad. But I can't stay for too long, I gotta go.
And that's the workout, guys. Hope your legs and booty are feeling the burn. Make sure you smash that like button for me. Let me know down in the comments how you went, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!